Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize using HashiCorp Vault for VPS authorization, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have HashiCorp Vault installed on your machine. Open your terminal and check the installation by entering the command Vault V. If HashiCorp Vault is installed correctly, you should see the version information displayed. Next, start the Vault server in development mode by running Vault server dev. This allows you to quickly set up a testing environment. Take note of the root token displayed in the terminal, you will need it later. Open a new terminal window to avoid any conflicts. Set the vault_addr environment variable by running export vault_addr equals http://. This addresses your Vault server instance. Authenticate with the server by executing the command vault login root token using the root token you noted earlier. With successful authentication, you will receive a confirmation message. Next, enable the user pass authentication method by executing vault auth enable user pass. This allows you to create and manage users for authentication. Now, create a new user by running vault write auth/userpass/users/username password equals password policy. Replace username, password, and policy with your chosen values. Make sure to define the appropriate policy that the user should adhere to. Once the user is created, you can test the login by executing vault login method equals userpass username equals username password equals password. Upon successful login, you will be granted access as per the defined policy. For VPS authorization, you'll need to configure the secrets engine. Enable the backend for secrets management by running vault secrets enable path equals VPS KV. You can now store secrets related to VPS configuration and access. To add a new secret, use the command vault kv put VPS/your secret key equals value. Replace your secret and value with the relevant information for your VPS. To retrieve the secret later, use vault kv get VPS/your secret. This pulls down the previously stored secret for your use. Next, ensure that your created policy grants the necessary permissions. Review your current policies by executing Vault Policy List. To create or edit a policy, you can use the command vault policy write policy name policyfile.hcl. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.